Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will study the features of isolating and hiding objects. The most important feature of this tool is that isolate objects and hide objects commands do not obey the usual undo-redo commands. There are separate commands: undo the isolation step and redo the isolation step to undo and redo the last actions discretely. And if you need to completely undo isolation or hiding, use the command unisolate object or unisolate objects. We can isolate a certain set of objects, eliminating unnecessary graphics at the moment, edit it according to our needs, and disable the isolation, returning objects visibility. At the same time, the changes that we have made to the object are saved. Let's take a closer look at how to work with this. In addition to the commands in the View tab, the Isolate group has the necessary set of commands in the Function panel at the bottom. Click on the light bulb button, and we will see all the same commands as on the panel above. We can both hide an object and isolate a specific drawing object. A gray light bulb means that there are no hidden or isolated objects in the current drawing, while a yellow one warns of hidden or isolated objects. Insulation options may also vary. It can be persistent or temporary. Persistent isolation means that the state of isolation and hiding of objects will remain in the next work sessions after saving the drawing, and temporary isolation is valid only in the current session. This brings our short lesson on isolating and hiding objects to an end. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next lessons.